Viewers, to make the sugar syrup for the steamed cake, so we need to boil the water first. I'm starting off with a medium heat. So 1 cup of water and also a 1/4 teaspoon salt. With this, we will let the water come to a boil and then we will add the sugar. As the water is boiling now, and we can add the sugar. And let the sugar get diluted. And dear viewers, now we will add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And we will cover this. And our cake syrup is ready. That needs to add 1 more ingredient, but we can turn off the stove and let it cool off completely. And viewers, our syrup is now cool completely. At this point, we can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, the vanilla essence, and now which has been added. And so now we will just stir it. And stir it well until it's well mixed. And our syrup is ready for the cake. So the second part for our video, especially where we are making the steam cake, the chocolate steam cake, for that we need to line the paper. So I have parchment paper and a baking tray, and this is an 8-inch baking tray. We'll be back when I finish lining them. And the cake tray is been lined, so we are ready with the cake tray. Now we will do the process of making the cake batter. We will add the cake flour, 2 cups, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And now we will add 6 tablespoons of black cocoa powder. And with the whisk, we will mix up all together until everything is well combined. Our mixture of dry ingredients is ready now. To make our wet ingredients, so we start off with sugar. Our sugar is 1 cup, and we will add yogurt. This is also 1 cup. Now we will add 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, and we will add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And with a hand mixer, we will mix up all together well until it's well combined. And we shall mix this until the sugar is well diluted. And now the sugar has been melted. Now we will add the flour little at a time. As you can see, the cake batter is too thick, so we shall add milk a little at a time, approximately about 1/4 cup, and then we mix it up, loosen the batter, and we add the milk as long as we need. Our cake batter is ready, and there is a little tip that I would like to share. And if you are using salted butter, please omit salt in your dry ingredient. And if you are adding unsalted butter, as how I am doing in this video, please add salt into your dry ingredients. Thank you. So now in a grease pan, we will add the batter, all of them, and scrape them down as well. So at this point, we just tap a few times for or any bubbles that is trapped in the bottom, they will come up and release it. And now I will transfer this into a steaming pan, which I have it here, and it will be steamed for 40 to 45 minutes or until your toothpicks comes out clean. It's past 45 minutes and I believe our cake is well baked. So I'm just going to poke it in the center, and the knife comes out clean. And so this is the time I'm going to remove the cake. Our steamed cake has become actually it's steamed, and I do not know how it's going to taste like. So we will wait until it gets dried out, and then after that we will see what we can do. And dear viewers, our cake is ready, steamed and cooled, and also we have our syrup here boiled and cool, and we also prepared everything. The vanilla essence has been added. Now we need to brush the cake to make it moisten. So brush it everywhere so that the cake will absorb all the liquid. So we have already placed the syrup, so now we have to wait for the cake to absorb for a while, and then we can go with the next step. As the cake has already absorbed the syrup, so we can now start piping the icing. And it is pretty simple, as you can make your own icing, and all you need to do is pump. So we see a break over here. This is a good sign though. It shows that the cake was really baked well. And then we can go with all the swirls, and same goes here, and also from here as well. So we have put on the icing already on top. Now we can arrange some fruits on top of it. Berries, yeah. So I'm going to start off with the center. So I'm going to cover this here. And then I have the little tiny ones. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put a little bit, and then I'm going to glue them on the sides. So I'm going to glue them one at a time. So I'll put a little bit of the icing, and then just keep on gluing. So when I'm done, I will be back. I'll show you the end product. And hello viewers, I got carried out, so I went on with adding mint leaves on the center, and this is how, and to finish the decoration, so we can add some sprinkles so that it will look a little nice. Red sprinkles. It's not Christmas, but still we can add some red sprinkles, and basically that's all that we need to do. There is not much of glazings that needs to be done, and it's pretty easy. And just cut the strawberries into halves, use the piping, the icing, and you just pump it out, and that's what it is. My Sacred Heart cake, I would say. So tomorrow is the feast of Sacred Heart, so I hope you will try this and serve it with your family and friends. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful one. Happy Feast of Sacred Heart. And for all those who are new, welcome aboard to Friday Friendly Kitchen. And for all those who have been with me, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, blessed be His most Sacred Heart, now and forever. Amen. Alleluia.